Hey everybody, it's Tommy and Valencia.
Hey.
We just got to the Dominican Republic. We are at Riu Republica, and we thought we'd give you a tour of the the sea view room at the Riu Republica. Let's go take a look.
Let's check it out. Let's check out this sea room, Riu Republica. Okay, so first off, to your left is the two-person restroom. We've got double sinks, a two-person shower. Check that out.
Look.
We've got peekaboo window.
They left a little flower for us for our feet. I need it.
Perfect.
Inside the shower, it looks like they have the detachable head, which is key, especially for me. And then down here, it has, this is a soap and a shampoo together. So if you forgot yours, they have it here up on the wall for you.
And right outside here, we have the commode. It is porcelain and shiny.
With double toilet papers. Definitely needed.
And we've got that wall-mounted hair dryer
Hair dryer for you ladies and guys, I guess, but we have the...
Yes, if you don't want to wear a hat every day, you got your blow dryer.
But look at this thing. This is a frosted window that goes between the shower and the bedroom, apparently. We asked for a clear one, but they said they only had frosted.
And
coming out of the bathroom, we have the closet. And you can see it's pretty spacious. It's definitely enough room for two people. We're gonna open up the other door, but keep in mind there is a safe here, so your valuables can be stored, no worries. Just put your code in, you're good to go.
And here we have the iron and ironing board for the people that don't like their clothes wrinkly.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's head towards the lovely bar, the minibar.
Oh, here we go. We got the essentials right here. So we've been to a few Rius, but this one's a little bit different, which I like the selection here. They have vodka, they have gin, they have scotch, and we have rum. Definitely the essentials for the Dominican Republic. There is an ice container, there is a coffee maker, and then this is bonus. Fully stocked, medium-sized fridge with, Presidente, baby. We got some waters, Pepsi,
Club soda,
Club
tonic.
soda, and a Sprite, it looks like back there.
All right. Woohoo.
A little mirror, hello.
All right. And look at the bed. They decorated so nicely with flowers again.
This is a king-size bed. Very roomy, and then they left us a couple more flowers. Oh,
How sweet.
how sweet you are. Right behind that is the TV. It's probably a 42-inch flat screen. It's got about 86 channels, which is really impressive. Most of them are in Spanish, obviously, but there's 6 or 7 that are in English, and they have the golf channel, which is key. And then this is the moneymaker right here. We opted for the ocean view room. Let's take a look at the balcony.
I forgot they
Go unlock it.
gave us some gifts.
Bam. Now, we are at the closest building to the ocean. So the rooms sit a little bit back from the ocean, but you can see the ocean view. There's a pool right here. There's a pool over that direction. You can see right below us is a pool bar, and then there's one on the other side of the property over there. That's a pool bar that we hung out earlier. And then outside they have 2 chairs and an ashtray for all you smokers.
Woohoo!
Which is not common these days, so we appreciate it if we like to have a cigarette. And then there's a neighboring resort over there. Oh, you can hear the people getting loud down there.
We did get a few gifts over here from that
Oh yeah, when we arrived at our room, there was this cup right here that had this little ornament, and it had a pen, and it literally says Dominican Republic on it, which is cool. That was a gift that they left for us.
And then a piece of artwork.
This is probably a local artist that did this paintwork. It says Riu Republic on it. That was included with the room. I don't know if that comes with all the rooms, but if you...
It's a welcome to enjoy
a nice welcome letter.
our stay here. This was with this. It was very nice. Yeah.
I hope you like the tour of the Riu Republica Sea View room.
So nice.
Now, we just got here today. This place is ridiculous. I think you'll love it. We do, especially for the price. This place is amazing. We're going to be shooting videos throughout the week, but we wanted to throw this one up here today. And remember, if you want to see us poolside taking pictures and videos and stuff like that, you need to follow us on Instagram.
That's for sure. Instagram, it's at Rockin' the Boat TV.
Please do that. Do it. And if you like reviews of cruises and travel stuff, follow us here on YouTube. Subscribe.
Like.
Do what you need to do.
All right.
And we'll see you next time.
Woo! Rock on.